Meaning of hematologist.
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 Hematologist. A hematologist is a medical professional who specializes in the study, diagnosis, and treatment of blood disorders. These disorders can affect the production of blood cells or the ability of blood to clot properly, leading to conditions such as anemia, leukemia, lymphoma, and hemophilia. Hematologists use a variety of diagnostic tools and treatment options, which may include chemotherapy, radiation therapy, bone marrow transplants, and blood transfusions. They also work closely with other healthcare professionals to provide comprehensive care for their patients. Overall, hematologists play a critical role in helping people manage and overcome blood-related health challenges.